Sit. Good boy. Hello everyone, it's Kim here and Paulo at Hancock Homestead and Gardens, and it is a beautiful fall day out here today. However, it's still warm enough for me to have on short sleeves. It's Tuesday, so that means it's time for Tidy Up Tuesday. And for my subscribers that have been tuning in every day, you've seen that I've been using the KonMari method of tidying up. And I have all of the clothes done, so I'm very excited about that. It took me a little bit longer than I was planning. You don't realize how much stuff you have until you get it all together. But anyway, the clothing section is done. And I decided that since today it's a beautiful day, I wanted to be outside. So today, John and I are doing some work in the chicken house. I came up with an idea to fix the doorway so that when I walk in, I'm not being bombarded by chickens and they're not able to get out. So we made kind of like a little entrance hallway, and I'm going to show that to you. And just do a little bit of work in there. We also are planning on moving the roost. We had it going sideways, and now we're going to have it going from the end out. I think it'll give us a little bit more room doing it that way. So yeah, so we're in the chicken house working today. Come along and join us. Okay guys, so we're doing some work on the chicken house today. If you watch any of my videos, as soon as we open this door, the chickens and ducks just come running right out. So we are taking these leftover pieces of paneling and we're making like a small entrance. And there'll be like a tarp down there where we can get through. And then John's going to put this one up. And then we'll put a tarp down there to get through. And then that way they can't just run right to the door. And these pieces of paneling we had left over from an old house remodel. So always hang on to things like this because you never know when you might need them. Yeah, these are going to work great. There we go. Leave me about a 4-foot entrance down there. Yeah, well, yeah, maybe not quite that much. There, yeah, that looks good. And then that way I can also get to both of the doors. I'll just walk down here. Ah, shoot, okay. I didn't have everything in my way right now. Walk down here to shut the doors at night. I'll probably put I'm going to get a metal trash can to hold their feed. And I'll have a food bucket down there in that corner. And then walk down here. And I'll probably put a food bucket down here in this corner. And then I can just walk through here to shut this door. Yeah. And this way, whenever I open the door, they can't all come bombarding me. Nice little hallway right here. It blocks off that door right there. Okay. Yay. Okay guys, I hope you can see me. Right through here is a hallway, and then there's a door down here at this end, and right now we're just putting a tarp. So we have the tarp nailed so that it's not going to go anywhere. And then get my food right down here. I'm going to get a metal trash can to put that food in. And right now I'm just cleaning up a little bit of the yucky straw that was right here where this box was at. Because we took that box out. That's where that big square box used to be. It was right here in this corner, if you need your bearings. And it had a bunch of straw piled up around it. So I'm just going to straighten that up a little bit. And I have my wheelbarrow right outside the door here. I probably should have grabbed a pair of gloves, but I'm just so used to doing this without gloves. I'll wash my hands really good after I'm finished. So yeah, so let's go put this in the wheelbarrow. Okay, so now I'm down here, and this is the west end. This is where that brooder hood was at, that they could run under. We took that brooder hood out for now. We don't really use it since we have the brooder house. And down here at this end, we have a sliding piece of wood until we can get another tarp. And the ducks are over here on this side, and the chickens are over there on that side for now. As soon as we can, we're going to get the duck pen fixed with their little houses, and then we'll be moving the ducks. And then this pen over here, this side of the chicken house, will be for new chickens coming in. Because next spring I do want to get some new chickens. And you don't want to put your new chickens with your older chickens. So this will be the separating pen for them. So yeah, so anyway, I have this hallway down here. And it's not in too bad a shape. Get some of that old straw that was underneath the brooder hood, although there wasn't just too much under there. And put it in my wheelbarrow, and then I'll have this pathway cleaned out. So good material for the garden. Okay, let me give you a quick shot of the wheelbarrow. Right there is the wheelbarrow, and Paulo's helping. I used to have kids that used to help. Paulo, how'd you get that straw all over you? Huh? Let me get that straw off of you. I know. Yeah, are you helping today? Yeah, now you can't come in here. Come on. You know that. Stay out. Good boy. Yes, I used to, don't you cross that threshold. I used to have kids that would help, and yeah, so now I have a dog and a cat. All right, stay there. Stay. Show them that you have good obedience. Stay. Good. I know, you hear them, don't you? You think they're your chicken dinner. Yeah, I told you we would probably have problems, and we have had a couple of problems. He likes both chickens and ducks. But we've only lost one of each to him. And yeah, and then we learned the word no, didn't we? No chicken dinner for you, and no duck dinner for you. Yes, I feed you good. Nope, out. Out. Now stay. Stay, sit. Good boy. Good boy. No, sit. Sit. Thank you. He says, but you didn't say how long. All right. I'm going to go over here and look at these ducks. All right, so we're going to go over here and we're going to look at the ducks real quick. My animals do still need to be fed and watered. See, they're out of water. And they're probably going, where is our water? Yes, I'm going to get you some water. And as you can see, we have a couple of chickens over here because they fly over. So we're going to have to put some chicken wire up there so they can't fly over. But they still have most of the pen to themselves. Now let's go over here and listen to what these chickens are yelling about. They no longer run to the door. I'll go down here to this side. Look in. There they are, getting drinks. Yep. And then if I go in, I can just move that door out of the way. And there's the board. The boards make the wall, the feelers, and water. And then they can go outside through their own door right here. So yeah. Okay, friends, well, this is a busy day today, getting the chicken house reorganized and cleaned out a little bit for fall and winter. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. If you'd like to know more about our homestead and what we do on it, please subscribe. This is Kim at Hancock Homestead and Garden saying bye for now.